Today we are making okroshka on kefir. It's a yogurt-based soup that you eat cold. It's very nice and refreshing in the hot weather. So I'm going to start by putting 64 ounces, which is two 32-ounce bottles of kefir, low-fat kefir. You don't have to use this brand. You can use any brand that you like. I'm putting it into a pot. You can do it in a bowl. And I'm going to dilute it with some cold water, and you can make it as thick or as thin as you like. I think I'm going to put in 2 cups to start and mix it in, whisk it in. And also I'm going to add some Dijon mustard, and this is to taste. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon, about. Well, I'll do it off camera. And I'm also going to add some sour salt, which is also citric acid, and some regular salt. I'm going to use some pink Himalayan salt, but you can just use regular salt to taste. All of this is to taste. So for those of you who aren't familiar with kefir, it's just a drinkable yogurt and it's very good for you. It's full of probiotics. And for the sour salt, I used only half a teaspoon. You want to be very careful with it because it's very sour. I ended up using about 3 tablespoons of mustard, but that's really a matter of taste. So now what I'm going to do, I have a whole lineup here of cut up things. What I have here is Russian bologna, and this is totally optional, and oftentimes I don't add it. But it's very different than your American bologna. But if you have a Russian deli next to you, I just use baby bologna. It doesn't have to be this brand, but this is something you could add. I have chopped up eggs, chopped up potatoes. I boiled these whole with their skin, and then I peeled them and cut them up into cubes. Then I have some cucumbers, radishes, scallion, and dill. So you just put as much or as little of each of those items that I showed you before into your bowl. And now you just ladle this yogurt soup over it. And here it is, our finished product, our okroshka. I hope you guys enjoy.